Hi, hello, good morning, everybody. Let us discuss about the today General English Mark Test 1. Only model questions, previous year questions will be updated. Only mark test 4 mark test will be released today. First only started mark test 1. Please listen and grammatical error and synonym antonym questions, spelling error, the type of paragraph question, the type of question will be given to SSC model examinations. Let us discuss about the mark test 1 of general English questions. So previous exams model questions please understand. SSC exam 2021. This is the SSC exam 2021, MTS exam 2021 mark test 1 general English previous yearly question model questions. Same will be follow this type of question will be given to SSC model question paper Please thoroughly read and compulsory please follow the points. Only 5 general mark test I will be given to you. So please thoroughly read and please remember in your mind. First question, select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. So accurate means accurate, ACCURATE, accurate. Accurate means synonym asking. So first question will be asking synonym asking. ఏం అడిగినారంటే సినానిమ్ అంటే మీకు తెలుసమ్మా, ఒక పదానికి రెండు అర్థాలు ఉండడాన్ని సినానిమ్ అంటారు. దట్ ఈస్ అక్యురేట్ మీనింగ్ టు ద సినానిమ్. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ప్రిసైజ్, అక్యురేట్. ఒక 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 ఏదైనా ఒక పదాన్ని గురించి ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ గురించి మనం చెప్పాలంటే అక్యురేట్గా చెప్పాలి. దానికి సినానిమ్ ఏమొస్తుందంటే ప్రిసైజ్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, సెలెక్ట్ ద రాంగ్లీ స్పెల్ట్ వర్డ్. ప్లీజ్ రీడ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. సెలెక్ట్ ద రాంగ్ స్పెల్ట్ వర్డ్. కింద ఇచ్చిన దాంట్లో రాంగ్ వర్డ్ ఏది అంటే తప్పైన పదం ఏదైనా అడిగినారమ్మా. 14th, 14th, 17th, 15th. So answer is equal to 14th. So this is the wrong. Are you understanding? This word is spelling is wrong. So second option is equal to wrong word Shall we go to the next question? So select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Dedication. So dedication synonym, determination, trepidation, commitment or contentment. So which option is answer the which option the dedication synonym? So answer is equal to commitment. So commitment, option 3. So dedication synonym commitment. Next question, select the word correctly spelled word. So please read the question. Correct spelled word. So fifth question, select the most appropriate option to substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. If there is no need to substitute it, select no improvement. So my professor gave me a lot of useful advices when I was writing my research paper. So first one is option is correct. Next question, select the most appropriate meaning the idiom make no head away. So select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom make no head away. That is force. That is the answer to unable to progress ahead. Fourth one. Question number 7. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word. Or hope. Hope means disappear. This is the antonym. Disappear. Next question, Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word. Abstract. So abstract means concrete. Thus abstract means concrete. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word. Gaunt. Gaunt means first one. Plump. Gaunt. G-A-U-N-T. Gaunt. So plump. That's the antonym of the plump. Next question. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Be an open book. Are you understand? So be an open book. So that is a find out the idiom. So idiom phrase. So answer is equal to one about whom it is easy to know everything. Please follow this model questions. So answer is equal to one about whom it is easy to know everything. Select the correctly spelled word. So correct word. Tentative, remunerative, substantive, speculative. Answer is equal to correct spelled word is remunerative. Select the most appropriate word for the given group of words. That is a strong and fast moving stream of water. That is equal to torrent. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom in a nutshell. So nutshell means express very briefly. Nutshell idiom phrase, that is express very briefly. Question number 14. Select the most appropriate word for the given group of words. So a game in which no one wins. So answer is equal to draw. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Camouflage. So answer is disguise. Next question. Select the wrong spelt word. That is the opportunity. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word. Virulent. So virulent means amicable. So amicable. Identify the segment in the sentence which contains the grammatical error. The little boy was so busy playing with his toy train that he do not even look up at us. So that is a grammatical error. He do not even. That is the answer. Next question, ma. Identify the segment in the sentence which contains the grammatical error. This question will be answered a best finish. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Miniature. So answer is diminutive. (21 to 25 questions, paragraph questions, ma. With the groundwater table receding alarmingly, an ostrich mentality will only increase water woes. Difficult rainfall dash indiscriminate. This is the paragraph questions, ma. Please follow the thoroughly read and put the answer. Okay. First question. Select the most appropriate option. Fill in the blank number 21. 21 question. Unless, also, and, but. So answer is equal and. So deficit rainfall and indiscriminate. Deficit and indiscriminate. So and వస్తుంది అక్కడ and వస్తుంది. So first that is a and. 22nd. Select the most appropriate blank number 2 or blank number 3 the. Blank number 4 24 water. Are you understanding? 24 situation. Government must promote dash harvesting. Which harvesting? Probably groundwater What is problem? Water harvesting. Are you understand? So 24 is equal to water harvesting. Next question. Select the most appropriate blank number 25. Although, also, already, anyhow. So answer is equal to also. I will find out. The harvesting conservation citizen must dash learn also. That is the also. Citizen must learn dash also. Are you understanding? Please follow the model questions. Please, this type of question will be given to SSC constable examinations. All the best.